Obsidian 5200. Here we go. Random team times. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Man U. Bottom is Leicester City. 5 times. Let's get rid of the randomizer. Find out exactly who everyone's got. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Good luck all. Still running ahead of schedule, which is very nice. So we should be able to fit in the one everyone's been waiting for, Slappers. Here we go. I cannot believe I forgot bats. And listen, we will improve. We'll take the base off the back. It is Ruben Semedo, pitch black for Olympiacos FC. We then have an Anthony rookie. And a gold. AFC Ajax is cleaning up. Anthony rookie and Lassina Traore. Anthony to 195. Traore gold 2 of 10. Very good start for AFC Ajax. Congrats whoever picked them up. We then had to 149. It is Eruption for Arsenal of David Luiz. Numbered 2 of 149. Fabregas to just 25. Big old patch for FC Barcelona. Says Fabregas. Obsidian Atomic Material Green Etch. To 75, we have Roberto Donadoni for Italy Aurora Purple Etch. Numbered 54 of 75. And then to round things out to 149, it is FC Porto's Jesus Corona Matrix Jersey Auto. Numbered 44 of 149. That is Obsidian 5200.